Hi, my name is Masi Gonzalez. I'm a welding instructor here at Coastal Bend College. I teach welding, automation, CPR, NCCER. Some of the things we teach out here are pre-pipe, pipe welding, TIG welding, MIG welding, flux core, and MIG welding. A lot of the oil field people are looking for people who weld stick, pipe. Refineries looking for people who can weld uphill. Pipeline welding looking for people who can weld down. A majority of those classes we teach here. Refineries looking for people with an associate who can weld up. We teach that here. We also teach welding automation with a brand new plasma table. We teach CPR, OSHA 10. A lot of refineries are looking for people who can have some safety background in them. NCCER, a lot of companies look for that. If you like burning things, breaking things, and putting things together, welding, it might be a career for you. We offer that training here. A lot of companies are looking for welders. It's a great career. It pays well. Maybe you're not the best welder. You can do AWS weld testing, weld inspection. That pays even more money than welding. So we can help you with whatever you need here at Coastal Bend College. It's a great place to learn how to weld, and it's a great place to pick a career that you want. Coastal Bend College, success happens here.